Yes guys, in this video I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an LENOVO Ideapad 330-15IKB laptop. First and foremost, I'm going to show you how to enter BIOS first. So let me zoom into the sticker, as you can see. Right, let's get started. Power on the laptop. Now keep tapping the F2 key. I will zoom in and show you guys F2. Right, as you can see here, we have now entered BIOS configuration settings. There's information here, all this lot. Configurations, there's not much to choose from. And then you've got security. And then boot and exit. I'm going to exit and show you guys how to enter boot menu option and how to boot from USB flash drive. So the laptop is switched off. Here's the flash drive. I'm going to insert it. Whoops, it's on the other side. I am inserting the flash drive now. Sorry guys, I'm filming in one hand and putting it in with the other. It's not easy. Right, that's in. Now power on the laptop. Now keep tapping the F12 key. Yes guys, the F12 key. I will zoom in and show you guys here. Okay, so we have now entered boot manager / boot menu option. The primary drive is here. Below it is my flash drive. So this is what we're going to do. Select the flash drive and press enter. Just make sure your flash drive or any external device is bootable, otherwise it will not boot from there. So now it's reading from the flash drive, from the USB. It's spinning around. Can you see the icon there? So this is my flash drive and that's it. That little bit there. Right, we have now entered Windows with the bootable drive. It's loaded up. I will escape now. So guys, that's how you enter boot menu option and boot from flash drive. I hope this video has helped you.